Fastest naked bikes under 1000 cc. 1. 2022 Aprilia Tuono 660 factory, speed 140 miles per hour. 2. 2023 Triumph Street 765 RS, speed 150 miles per hour. 3. 2022 Suzuki GSX-S 1000, speed 150 miles per hour. 4. 2023 KTM Duke 890R, speed 152 miles per hour. 5. 2023 Honda CB 1000R, speed 152 miles per hour. 6. 2006 Ducati Monster S4 RS, speed 161 miles per hour. 7. 2021 Yamaha Mount 10, speed 165 miles per hour. 8. 2023 BMW M 1000R, speed 170 miles per hour. 9. 2021 Kawasaki Z H2, speed 186 miles per hour. 10. 2023 Megavolts Agusta Brutale 1000RR, speed 186 plus mile per hour. Please comment on your thought on this. Like, share and subscribe to Moto Drift.